Celer Network is on fire today. It's up 21%. A lot of good things are going to happen to Celer Network, in my opinion, based off my research. And you see the price is going up. It's at 4 cents, up 22% right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And I can't wait to give you some of the information about the Celer community in terms of the AMA summary. I'm going to go over that a little bit as well. So thank you for joining me, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and also to grow your brand as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and comment as well. Now, right now, the Celer is at 4 cents. It's climbing up back to that 5 cents mark, and it's exciting times right now. We had that correction, and now we're on our way up to the top. Now, a couple of days ago, there was an AMA that was taking place from the CEO from Celer, and I wanted to go over a couple of things that came through that. And the thing about it, what I really liked about it was very honest. Like, for instance, just like this: will LTF V 1.0 be accompanied by any marketing efforts, and does the current team including a marketing person? Yes, we have a marketing team, and yes, V 1.0 will be accompanied by a heavy PR outreaches, and most importantly, liquidated mining, which will drive organic awareness quickly. That's great news. If you're a Celer Network holder, you're gonna like the news that's going on right now, and the price is going up. Yes, price is going up. And by the way, if you're here for the first time, if you want to buy Celer Network, click on the links below. I do have a link that you can get it. You can also get it from crypto.com, get it from Binance, and several places you can get Celer Network. I have that information in the description. Now look at this. This is another one I want to read to you. Will locking Celer be available in L2F V 1.0? And this is something I really wanted to know, and I'm glad this was asked. And this was the response. With LTF, we will, of course, engage with different DeFi protocols and communities to have a partnerships regarding utilizing Celer in the broader DeFi landscape. It will be a process. And look at this. We believe it will be a mutual beneficial relationship. L2F is bringing users that are otherwise not possible to use those DeFi protocols. And it makes sense to have Celer as part of the broader DeFi ecosystem. So that was something I was really interested in, in terms of that question there. And I'm not sure if you are now. I'm going to go back to the Twitter following. And the thing about this, the Twitter is growing. It is growing. I mean, my goodness, it is really growing. It's so easy to find Celer. So let me go here. So it's 53.5, 53,000 still is. And I just want to see something. What's the news that came out? I just want to make sure we stay on top of it. So yes, okay, here's the AMA, and they posted it. So they posted it right on the website. So I'm reading that to you. Okay, that was the latest. One more thing I want to read to you as well. How long until the Layer 2 Finance app will remove its beta used at your own risk message? This will take some time. This will take some run-in time, and I would say DeFi carries inherent risk, and the test of time is always needed. I would say sometime in Q3 we can lose that tag. That's good. Okay, all right. And here's another one I wanted to know. Who would you say it's your strongest competitor in the space? Now, this is something I've been doing research in, and I've got some ideas in terms of what I think is a competitor, but Celer Network has its own. I feel like they can compete with themselves, to be honest with you. And this is what came out. Well, Celer is taking a bit of a different approach to L2. As we know, we're building middlewares, not generic purpose chains. That's good to know. For the state channel, we don't have any competitors. That's what I think. That's what I kind of think. I don't really think they really do as much, in my opinion. For the state channel, we don't see any competitors out there. And the C-Bridge V 1.0 is in the pipeline to be released in June. Look at this. If you don't know about this, you know about it right now. Released in June. V 1.0 is in the pipeline to be released in June. Now, for the roll-up, our approach of scaling applications is also a bit different from other solutions. We do not require apps to migrate to roll-up, but can scale them in place. Look at this, but can scale them in place. That's interesting to me. That's very, very interesting. I think all scaling efforts are good and will help Ethereum. Of course, they've got a connection with Ethereum, which a lot of these hidden gems that I've been doing these videos with, they're connected with Ethereum in some capacity and blockchain adoption in the long run. Celer is focused on a smooth interoperation and user experience. They all about the user experience. That's probably one of my favorite things about Celer Network. It's all about the user experience. It's all about making things better for the people of a multi-layer 2 future. Ah, man, I was so excited. So I have the link in the description that actually talks more about this, and I write on the Celer Network. Here's another question. Is there a pending parachain auction coming soon? Yes. So that's basically ends there. Yes, however, we're not planning to issue a new token for now, which I wanted to know that answer too. So this is really, really good. It's a lot of stuff in here. I'm not going to read everything on here. This is another one here. What about Uniswap integration? Providing liquidity pools for Uniswap V3 will be part of the strategy mix for sure, especially for stable token pairs. So that's very, very interesting. And you can read more and more about this. I have the link in the description. Just wanted to read you a few things of it as well. Now let me go back to the price, because the price is up 20% and it's driving. The market is up actually. The market is moving. Celer is now ranked 150. I feel like that's going to get even low as we move forward in the summertime. This ranking is going to get lower. It's going to get lower. And check this out. It's got a high is 4%, 4,309 is at 425 right now. I look for this to continue increasing because there's so much room for this to grow. So much room for this to grow. Based off this AMA, a lot of good things came out. You know, where can we find the latest info on Celer Network? Basically on their website. That's pretty much self-explanatory. So just want to do a review over a couple of questions that came through the actually AMA summary, and I just wanted to kind of read a few questions to you, a couple of answers there. Some things I was really considering asking myself, but a lot of them kind of came out. This was one of the biggest one right here. Who would you say is your strongest competitor in space? And we pretty much got it for the state channel. We don't see any competitors. You should be bullish. Oh my goodness, you should be bullish. Oh my goodness. If you're a holder, I'm sure you're smiling right now. All right, my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more information for hidden gems, Celer Network, or any other out there, any assets out there. Just put it in the comment line if you want me to do a review over it. I am a big fan of Celer Network because of the mass potential. It's all about the user experience. It's all about innovating. It's all about changing how we do business. I'm telling you. So hold strong. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, if you do not have Celer Network, click on the links below, get access to that. You also can do your own research as well. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do like Celer Network and a few other ones out there. I'll see you on the next video.